Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It looks like there's a cocktail, and then you can drink it. But it does take water in, so you can always make a cocktail. Please, yes. Now we are underwater, man. Wow. Oh, the bubbles come out, yes.
Ah, you need to wait for that. Whoa, that's cool, man. They're attacking us.
Oh, now it's really deep. See?
It's really deep, yeah.
It's really deep now.
Yes.
Now you have your cocktail, man. Check it out. The cocktail coming. You can drink it. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Ma here. And
What is this, man?
This is the RC Submarine, and this is the best place to test it. Looks like there's a cocktail, and then you can drink it. But it does take water in, so you can always make a cocktail. Check it out. This sweet transparent pond I found the other
I
day.
wouldn't drink from it, but it definitely works for this. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, radio is on. Please push that button.
Okay, this one?
Yep.
Oh, we have a red LED.
Red LED.
It looks sweet, man.
Let's put it inside.
So we just threw it, or we need to
Better.
gently?
Wait, let me see. Is it working or not?
Yeah.
All right.
Throw it.
No, just be gentle on it. Ready?
Okay.
One, two, three, go.
There you go.
There it goes. It's floating. Oh, I think it's... no, it's good. I still have range. Diving. Diving.
Oh, it's so cute. My God.
Diving.
You think it's time, right?
It's diving?
Yeah. It's sinking.
A little bit.
From
It's drinking water.
Tail first, yeah.
Turning very, very slow. Yes, now it's drinking water, so it's diving. We are going underwater, people. Come on, turn. We can chase these mosquitoes now. Why it's not turning? And the turning is super duper slow on this. But I'm glad there's still range.
It's a bathtub submarine, let's say.
Oh, out of range. Okay, we are going backward, it's fine.
I think it still has a bubble of air in the nose.
Yeah, it
So
should
maybe-
come out. Now, yeah, we have to drive forwards.
Yes, now it makes sense.
Oh, now I know how to turn. It's turning. And full throttle forward. Come on. Why is it not coming forward?
It likes to go backwards.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe the forward throttle is not very good. Oh, we hit the stones, man.
This is like the Russian submarine.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
there we go.
there we go. Is somebody attacking it? Man, it
Yeah.
doesn't go more inside. Why? Come on. Okay, now it's going. Hold on.
That looks good.
Come on, go down, please. It should drink more water, actually.
Is that the speed, actually?
That's the only speed. That's a full throttle here, see? Man, it should go like all the way in, right?
Can you dive more? Oh,
Backward, just can dive this way. Please, yes. Now we are underwater, man. Wow. Oh, the bubbles come out, yes.
ah, you need to wait for that. Whoa, that's cool, man. Look at that.
Oh, nice. Now we are underwater. I have no control. Okay, I got the control back. Go, go, go.
That was cool.
Go, go, go. That was nice, man. And now we're going underwater, coming out again, hitting the pipe.
They're attacking us.
Boom. Dive, 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 dive.
Before the meteor shower gets you.
Dive, dive. Dive.
Whoa, that was too much.
That was too much, Arish.
That was too much, man.
Dive, dive, dive.
Oh, you can go inside, but yeah.
It is going. Backward it goes inside more.
It's like a cat that I used to have that only walked backwards and it has some brain.
Oh, now it's really deep, see?
It's really deep, yeah.
It's really deep now. Arish, you have a big attack.
Just small ones. One at a time, so we can...
We have a button that brings it out. So the central button
The
press.
center button?
And we put the water out of the submarine and it will come out. See?
Wow, that's sweet.
Beautiful, right? It just emerges.
And to dive again, you need to press the same button?
No, no, no. To dive again, just keep driving. It will drink water.
Ah.
I think the drive backward is fine. Drive backward, then it will go down. See? And the bubbles will come out from front.
Maybe we need to go to a deeper. Yeah.
Wait. And this is the deep.
Irish, keep
Irish, keep
attacking.
attacking. And we are going down. Going down.
Until-
Circles.
Now it's no. Yeah.
Going
Come on,
down.
bubbles.
Yeah, we went down. So we have to drive backward to go down. There it goes.
Can you keep it down? Let's say.
No, that's the only thing we can do.
That would be awesome if it can stay down, right?
Yeah.
We are trying to nail the pipe here.
I don't think we can go under the pipe. It will get us stuck inside.
Yeah. Because if it cannot go down, like below the surface.
Yeah, they should give it like it should like this low. See?
Yeah, like 3 positions, right?
Yeah, and then we could actually go get the pipe. Okay, let's bring the back. Let's bring it back.
You like the attack part, huh?
Wait, now we are coming out. We surrender. We give up.
Surrender.
Okay, I grab you, you catch it, okay?
Okay.
I grab you. Come on, rescue mission.
You got it. And now
Very nice.
you have your cocktail, man. Check it out. The cocktail coming. You can drink it.
Nice. Yeah,
Oh, there's a
it's
lot
big-
of water in, man.
Yeah.
Nonetheless,
Wash my
it's
hand, please.
that's a toxic water, I can tell you.
Now you're going to have 3 hands.
Well, nonetheless, it's a fun thing.
I
to
think
have.
it's good enough for like.
I think we can add more weight.
It will go faster.
It will go down even more.
Yeah.
So that's the next thing to do.
It's a good thing to. It's a good platform to mod, you know, a little bit and see how far. And also, I think that the motor can go faster. Actually, maybe we can change the prop 3D
3D print a new prop. Yeah.
A bigger, like more pitch.
More pitch, then it will be faster. So more videos are coming. This is just a test, and it was successful. We had fun with a little bit cocktail. I'm gonna add more weight to it, and we'll see how it goes. If we can go deeper.